chocolate cake. Time to clean your surface. My mom told me to do this. Today we decided to pre-measure the ingredients. First thing first, preheat the oven to 350.
Hey Lincoln, why are you making me?
Chocolate cake. First, cut these so that it fits perfectly in the pan. In the large mixing bowl, we're gonna put 2 cups of sugar. 1 3/4 cup of flour. Now we add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we mix. It's good. 2 eggs. The chosen one. I'm back. Now we add 1 cup of milk and add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I said what I say.
Why do we need another one? We don't. No. We don't need another one.
It'll be good. It's just a little bit extra for look. We're gonna stir it up. I'm gonna do it over the sink because I feel more comfortable. Now we have to dump this into the big mixture. My clumsy hands. And now we stir it. We need 1 more ingredient. So steamy. 1 cup of boiling water. Let the eruption begin. Another option is pouring 1 cup of hot coffee, but that has caffeine in it. Imagine my brother on coffee. We were supposed to put the chocolate chips on the top, but we're putting it in the batter. Time to stir again. Feels weird. Don't forget to spray the edges, guys. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Hello. We're gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. Oh, now we have to clean up. So boring. We decided not to make our own frosting. We're using our friend Betty Crocker's recipe. Yay. Comment down below what you think, why it just sunk it. What did we do wrong? It looks like a castle wall. Looks like a ramp that, like at the skate park, you go up and then you go down. Now we just filled the whole thing. We made more because we ran out of this frosting, as you can see, more. So we're gonna put the second layer. That's pretty cold. We have to be very, very gentle. I think I'm done! Chocolate sprinkles. Final masterpiece. So we added chocolate sprinkles on all of it, and then on one side, SKOR bites.
I am so excited. I want to eat 2 slices.
Straight 10 for me.
11 out of 10.